do is plan an event, especially with all of our schedules and how life looks and them managing their own lives. We will give them an opportunity later on, but I just wanted to appreciate them because without them we wouldn't be here. Okay, so I want to go back maybe 8, 9, oh, Matiko, Masquera Seiko, Masquera Seiko, Mundire Guerrero, Dana Farisaka, Jumbo Farisambichan. And this could have come around. Behind every great man is a woman. But also behind every successful, hardworking entrepreneur woman is also other hardworking men. So that support. It's not easy. If you don't feel intimidated, you need to dance tonight and show these women how to dance. To competition later, Naika. Thank you. I think it must have been, how many years has it been now, Chair? Since we started? 2019. And you know, initially when we started seeing SIS MELLY on Facebook, we were all like, oh my God, she's doing so much for the community. You know? And I can tell you, as part of the admin team, the amount of fights we've had in the background, you know, because SIS MELLY, when she's set her mind to something, she doesn't stop. The amount of sleepless nights she would have counseling people, bringing stories, you know, how can we help this person? And I would think, this woman has a family and I don't know how she does it. And she would pick up your call, even if you call at 3 in the morning, she would pick up and say, Cherry, what did I do? What's going on? So I really want to appreciate you, SIS MELLY, for the work that you do. We don't say it enough, you know, and we might not say it every day, but we see you, we love you, we appreciate you. Please don't get tired, regardless of what's happening outside, even with the outside noise. Don't get tired of doing what you do. The Lord called you, and I think we always tell you that it's a calling for you. It's not something that you just do. It's a lifestyle. It's who you are now. It's a part of your identity. Having said that, I think it's your time to come and address the diaries that came for SIS MELLY's diaries. I want mine.